So the next part of our tabletop regression, this is kind of the same thing as the push-up plus that we did earlier, but all it is with a raise. So I get in my tabletop position, and now I'm just going to lift my hand. And all I'm doing right here is I'm working on some anti-rotation. You'll see that my hips aren't coming up. I don't push my butt into the air. I don't break my spine at all. I keep everything nice and strong, and I support myself. These are a little bit more challenging, so you can always widen your base. You can go into a push-up position, or you can actually just come down on your knees, not hold the tabletop position, and you can just lift your hand and squeeze your core with each one to kind of learn how to support yourself with one hand. Those are tabletop raises.